Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and since in today's video we are doing tape-ins, your girl finally got a chance to do some tape-ins. Now, I've been wanting to do them for some time now, just a little hesitant just because it's just like something new to me. I'm only used to wigs, and I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and do something different, especially because I've been telling you guys that I've been wanting to wear my natural hair more and just get away from wigs. So this was perfect, like perfect. So yeah, these tape-ins are from YWigs. I will have them and the tape-ins linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. Okay, y'all, so again, I received these tape-ins from YWigs, and it came in this package right here. And then inside of the package is 3 things of tape-ins. I'll show you the rest because I kind of like straightened them out or whatever. So that is that. And then as well, inside of the package, we have a hair care card. I guess it just kind of tells you, it says, how do I store my wig? Which it's not a wig. How to wash the lace wig, it's not a wig. So I guess this is for wigs, because this is basically just telling you how to wash your wig. However, since the wig and the tape-ins comes from the same place, it's their same hair, I guess you would just kind of look at this to know how to maintain the hair, period, whether it's a wig, tape-ins, or whatever. And then as well, it comes with some more tape, is what I'm assuming. I guess it would be reusable and or, girl, because I don't want to lie to you because I don't really know how this works. I don't know if I need to use these initially before we get started or what, but I'm assuming this is just like extras or whatever, but we'll see once we get into the process. So let's get into the hair. So this is one bundle that I already straightened or whatever. I didn't straighten it that good, but you get the gist. It's straight enough. And then this is the bundle how it normally comes. This is the Kinky straight hair. So again, y'all, this is how it came, and this is 18 inches. So yeah, I'm going to straighten it just like this one, just so I can apply it a lot better. And as you can see, my hair is already freshly washed, blow dried, and straightened. Even though it may not look like it, girl, this is as good as it gets for my head. So this looks good to me. And yeah, I think it's gonna match, even though this one is a little bit more silkier. Maybe I shouldn't have straightened it and just left it like this, but I'm gonna straighten it again. Like, I just did one pass because I didn't want to do too much, because I think I'm gonna end up putting curls in it, and I don't want to add too much heat to my hair. So yeah, that's kind of why it looks like this. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to put these in. So I'm starting off by showing you my leave out. I left some out in the front and on the sides as well as in the back, and I left out a good amount just so I'm able to pull it up in a ponytail and you not be able to see the tape ends. Now I'm going to attempt, and when I say attempt, honey, I mean attempt to put these in myself. Please forgive me because this is my first time and I don't really know what I'm doing, so this is a lot of trial and error. But yeah, so I didn't show you, but I took the tape off on each tape in, and then I kind of sandwiched it between my hair. Make it as thin as possible because these are not sticky whatsoever. So now that I got it sandwiched, I'm going to then use my flat iron, and I'm going to clamp it just so it can become sticky and try to, you know, attach to my hair, which it just wasn't any luck because I think I pulled out too much hair. So after about an hour of struggling, I went ahead and called in reinforcements because yeah, your girl cannot do it by herself. I needed help. So she's just basically doing the same thing that I did. I also asked for her to do every other aisle. Did that even make sense, girl? Why am I talking about aisles in my head? But every other part, every other section, if you get what I'm trying to say. So I wanted her to do one row of tape-ins and then the next row of my real hair, and then run one row of tape-ins, just because I was unsure of how I wanted to do it. I also asked for it not to be so close to my scalp, just because again I wanted to pull it up in a ponytail, and as well you can feel the tension if it is too close, like it kind of hurts. So you don't want to get too close to your scalp. Leave some room so it is movable and it's not, you know, giving you tension on your scalp. Girl, y'all see how she almost tried to rip that out of my head as though it's not tape. But yeah, she did fix it in the end. Just make sure you don't rip your hair out, because after you apply the heat, it does become sticky, and it does get a little tougher to take it out. So this is what we're looking like thus far. I did have her go back in and add more tape-ins in the spaces or in the rows that I told her not to, and just to leave my real hair out because it was like real stringy, and just not as full as I wanted it to be. But anyways, girls, so now I'm just mapping out my half up, half down hairstyle that I want to do. So I'm just parting it so she knows what type of leave out to leave over the tape ends, so that I am able to, you know, just be versatile with this style. Okay, y'all, so I kind of just stopped. Let me show you what I have so far. And it's a good amount of hair just because it is kinky straight, so it feels like a lot. Like it kind of, I'm not gonna say it feels heavy, but it does feel like my head is just a little weighted. So I'm not sure if I want to put some right here. I figured like my hair is kind of long enough to blend in with the tape ends. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna go through and curl it up or whatever, and then see like where we are, if it matches. And if it doesn't match, then I'll start adding tape ends throughout the front. So y'all, when I'm curling it, I'm not adding any product to my hair just because I want it to be able to move around, and it's my real hair. I don't want no product on my hair, no freeze spray or anything like that. I did, however, prior to add some heat protectant just so I'm not putting so much heat on my head. But as far as like coating spray, I just didn't add any at all. Okay sis, so this is what we ended up looking like, and girl, these tape ends are super cute, and the blend, baby, the blend to my natural hair is A1. Like, it blends so perfectly. I see why tape ends is trending, because this looks so natural. Like, girl, you cannot tell me that this hair is not my hair, like nothing. So yeah, let me turn around so you can see the back. So that was the back, girl. Let's go ahead and talk about these tape ends. Again, this is from YWigs, and I got 3 bundles of their 18-inch straight kinky texture. And girl, I used maybe 2.5 bundles. Let me show you what is left. So we got like, girl, we dang near got the whole bundle left, and then I got just like these little strands right here. But yeah, about 2.5, probably not even a half bundles is what I use, and of course that is what's left over. So you don't need a lot. Again, y'all, I left this much, or no, I didn't. I left literally, girl, okay, so all of this right here is my hair, because originally I was gonna do a half up, half down, and I was just parting that space out in order to know where to start putting in some more tape ends. And then I kind of just left it because I'm like, girl, my hair is just as long as the tape ends, and it's a very tedious project. So I'm like, I didn't even want to go through the hassle. Like, as you saw, I had to get help in order to do the back. And at first I'm like, I don't know what everybody is talking about. Like, I'm sure I'll be able to do it on my own. Sis, no ma'am. Like, get you some help putting these tape ends in, especially because they're not as sticky as I thought that they would be. I thought originally after I just peeled it back that it was gonna just clamp on like that. So now I kind of see why everybody's saying just put only a little bit on in between the little sandwich or whatever, because it is hard for it to stick, and you do need to press it together with the hot comb in order for it to be tacky and to stick to your hair. I do have a few pieces that, like on the corners or whatever, are lifting up, but I don't mind, only because I don't want to have this like just stuck in my head. Like, I'm not gonna wear this forever. Like, if you're gonna wear it forever for like a month or so, then definitely have everything sticking. Like my little pieces that's sticking up, child, I don't care, because ain't nobody gonna see it, and this is only gonna be like a quick hairstyle for me. But other than that, sis, like, I think these tape-ins again look very natural. It's very convenient for somebody who doesn't want to wear wigs. And like I've been saying in my past few videos, like, I've been trying to get away from wearing wigs, so I think this is just, girl, this is perfect. So I may or may not try to keep this. I may or may not try to add more pieces, just depending on the longevity of it, because I just know my hair is going to curl up when I get outside. I just know. So I'm just gonna play it by ear and see what happens, and just, you know, whatever. But overall, sis, the tape-ins is legit. Like, they're really pretty. It's very full and thick, especially in the back. Another reason why I stopped putting them in once we got up here, because my head feels a little weighted down. Like, girl, like, you can feel it. I didn't think that I was going to be able to feel it. I should have known that you were going to be able to. But yeah, you can definitely feel weighted just a little bit. But I mean, it's nothing bad at all. It's just that I can feel it. And with it being a kinky texture, I just didn't want that big. I just don't want it to be real big. So I'm glad I only did it in the back, because the blend with my hair, it looks really good. And I can pull this up into a ponytail. Again, y'all, because I left the back out. So girl, we about to be cute. I'm about to think of some hairstyles. Like, it looks really good, even though in the front my hair is kind of thin, but I think it blended well, sis. And my texture is like a 4B 4C. Yeah, 4B 4C texture here. So kinky straight definitely fits the texture of my hair. So overall, we give this these tape-ins a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend you getting them if you want to look natural and stop wearing wigs for a little while. So yeah, I'll have everything linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, sis, and I will see you, oh, and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.